In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can download a transparent image from Canva. Let's start with something simple. I got this photo of a snowy mountain, and my goal here is I'm going to download this picture with a transparency. Essentially, I want to remove the background, which is the sky, leaving only the snowy mountain, and because it is transparent, I could put this picture into something else, and then the background will be new, will be not this sky anymore. So here's how you can download an image as a transparent image in Canva. But first, let's remove the background. I'm not going to go into too much detail, but basically in Canva, you can remove the background by using the AI tool called background remover. You just need to select a picture and then click background remover. And now we have this background to be empty. So right now, by default, the empty background will be just a plain white. But if you, for example, if you change the background into something else, like if you change the background to be orange, that's going to be the color that will be seen by this image. Right now this image is not loaded. Okay, so if I click replace background, you can see that the background is now different. But let's undo the process first, because we just want to have an empty background. Now what you need to do is you have to go to share and then click download, and after that select the format to be PNG. That is very important. That's the format that allows you to have transparent background and enable transparent background. And when you're done, you can click download and just wait until Canva is rendering this picture. Okay, it's almost there. And okay, this is the result. I'm going to show you what it's going to look like. There you go. So the background now it's actually transparent. If I, for example, if I add a new page and if I upload this picture once again, I could in theory just change the background into something else. Let's go to element and search for sunset sky, and that will be very interesting. So I could use this as a background, and then I'm going to put this picture on top of the new background, and we got something that look like this. Maybe if I put the background slightly to the top, it's going to be a little bit different than the original picture. Now this is the new picture, even though it looks the same, but trust me, this is transparent. So anyway, that's how you can download a transparent picture in Canva.